My name's Rudy Browning. I'm a professional drone racer from Brisbane. I'm 15 years old and I've been fortunate enough to travel the world racing drones. So some of my best achievements all happened last year. I came first place in an FPVR World Cup race down in Adelaide in Australia, and I also won the World Championships in Shenzhen, China. As an addition to that, Team Australia also won the team racing, and I won the overall first place. I always set myself goals. Another World Championship win this year would be awesome. There is a lot of luck and skill that goes into the racing, so I'll just see what happens as it comes and hope for the best. I believe as long as you have the passion, you can definitely achieve it. I could barely afford the equipment and I was selling everything I had to try and fund myself. I did fund myself, won a few races, picked up some sponsors, and it took off from there. So yeah, if you have the passion and the drive, you can definitely achieve whatever you'd like to. Yeah, technology is constantly evolving with drones. Every month there's something new out that we're always upgrading and changing to. Keeps it exciting, makes them go quicker, slower, faster, more efficient. As far as the racing goes, there's lots of different competitions like DCL, which is the Drone Championships League, which is a European TV show, which gets aired all around the world. There's 7 or 8 teams from different countries that compete with their 4 best pilots. So yeah, it's good fun. You've got that sort of racing, and then you've got the smaller drones that we're flying today. So yeah, mixes it up, keeps it exciting. Definitely a race in Australia would be amazing. I guess you could go for something like Outback style around Uluru, if that would be possible, or even just around Buckalden, around some landscapes here, or you could even go more urban, around the Sydney Opera House. Something like that would be really cool. So yeah, there's a lot of potential.